Rich back with great day. If they stand up, you can see how big they are. Stand up, stand up. Did you start to remove the worms already or not yet? What? Did you start to remove the worms already?
No, no.
You didn't start yet? Okay. Take them inside, please. When did you see it, that there were so many worms? When did you see it coming? 1 day, 1 week, 1 month? When did it start?
It's too long.
It's too long? Oh my goodness. This will be a new record. Record-breaking dog. It's big enough to carry, I would say, thousands worms. Well, what do you think? Max looks very sad. That's his name. Max. Max Mango Worms. First name Max, last name Mango Worms. Fatou, maybe you can press out 1 already. And this time you really have to count. I don't accept any estimation this time. I only accept pure numbers. 1, 2, 3. Stop, stop, stop. Take them out. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, and this 1, 2, 3 we have now to repeat 300 times. I think then we will reach there. And we will make Max a little bit sleepy for that, because he will not accept. After a while he will get a bit angry. Okay?
No, anyway, fiamme med varandra.
Counting?
If I started, maybe I would mistake after.
You can help too. You press.
Then I
The
get-
dog is
go
big
to my
enough.
get.
The dog is big enough. We can even press with 3 people.
Sorry?
You cannot get any sickness from it. Just press it. Afterwards, you wash your hands. Finish. No. If you vomit, and then you keep on pressing. No problem. This will take too much time. One person cannot do this job. This is a big job. This is 1,000 worms, maybe more. If you don't do it, then Mr. Driver has to do it. One of you guys have to do it. You. Try. It's not difficult. So see how Fatou is doing it. You just press gently and then they come out. Ooh. It's quite nasty, huh? I agree with you, it's nasty, but it has to be done. Somebody has to do it. Please, try.
Smart.
Du jeex de soo ko génn du jeex de.
People always ask me to make longer videos. I think this can be the lifetime video of my career. And they all seem to be the same age. Did the dog dig a hole in the garden, Osman?
No.
There's no hole in the garden that they were digging? Or did you change anything with their bedding or with the house? Did they have a dog house before and they can't go in the dog house at the moment? Did something happen in the last 2-3 weeks in the compound? Did you have are you building, for example, do you have a pile of sand where the dogs like to lie on?
No.
Then it will remain a mystery. Usman, you have to try. Come on. I give you $5 here if you try.
Usman said if you can do it, he will not bring the animals here. I will just do it at home. That's me. I cannot do it.
Then Fatu will do it. Poor Fatu. Today she has to work till 3 o'clock only because of these worms. How many worms do you have now? You lost count?
Yes.
And Usman, you did do one. At least you have to do one. Try. One. At least 100. Usman no dog.
No sabe, ya nada.
Llama.
Fuller?
No ask.
No need to ask? From where?
Guinea.
From Guinea? Guinea Conakry?
Yeah.
So that's why you don't speak English. You speak Creole. No?
Creole,
No Creole?
French.
French?
Mhm.
Ah, Guinea-Bissau is Creole. Huh?
Mhm.
I have no idea. Okay. Parlons français. Cette version, le nom est l'air de Caillot. Et le problème est du sable. Si le chien dort au sable. You speak French or you don't speak French?
I don't speak French.
Oh, you don't speak French? Okay.
Zero.
I'm trying. So what do you speak then?
Mandinka. Local language.
Hold on.
Mhm.
Can explain to him that the dog must not go in the sand. Because you are at the house, you can direct the dog where to sleep.
Mhm. Su yang ko kai. Da fi ho ba.
They have many sand there.
Why do you have many sands there? You have to make grass, or tiles, or concrete. Don't even know.
Mu ne ngeen def foofu ñax comme façon ñax yàgg mbala ngeen def tiles mbala concrete mu leer
Bo wa no ga na ma ko bolon ke gi ba mo ke gi. Mo yobu ci fa.
c'est
Is it
The owner of the land brought the sand.
yes.
And now will you get there? Because I was asking you what happened. Now you tell me that the owner of the land brought sand there.
I think this one was the driver.
So for what? For construction?
kooku lu mu indi sa lifin bi suuf bi pour la liggéey
De len tabax fo.
That was exactly what I was asking before, and you tell me nothing happened. Guys,
where the dogs are staying or where the sun is so far.
no, the dogs will go and sleep on the sand, I promise you. Ask him if the dogs are sleeping on the sand.
dañuy def si suuf bi
Fo dañ ne fanaan ni. Suñ leen bàyyi ci guddi. Ba ci moom ci seen nekk leen.
Max, it is worms. Next step is that he will go to have a wash, and I gave him some broad spectrum antibiotics, and I gave him something to stop further mango worm infestation for a while, and then after 2 days we have to see him again. And I really hope he's going to make it. He has 40.9 temperature, and he's really affected by this whole stuff. Not happy. If I had this many worms in my body, and I'm even heavier than Max, I wouldn't be happy either. Bye bye. See you Thursday.